Okay, let us see our next topic, which is sample document. Using sample document, actually you can create a template, so that you can use a template to post frequent transactions. For example, let's say you want to you are posting a document very frequently with the same account and same amount. For example, like rent. Okay, let me tell you something. You have a rent payable for office. Every month is $1,000 per month. So the bank account will be credited. Okay, and rent account will be debited. Okay, so every month you'll be doing this, right? Every month you will be crediting your bank account and debiting your rent account. So it's better to create a sample document, so that you don't have to key in the same information again and again. You can use back this sample document and post it. I'll show you how to do that. But let me just use this document type and put a company code, currency USD, credit is bank account. So for credit I'd use 50, right? Let me choose the bank account. Cash in bank. I don't have a rent account yet, so let me create one first. Okay, for another session, FS00. Okay, it should be other expenses. Rent account should be other expenses. So I should be using this series 8 series. So 8001 it has been used, so let me use 8002. Does not exist. Yes, just choose GL account, create. It's a P&L account. Choose other expenses, rent account, rent payable account. Okay, rent payable account there. Go to field status group, choose expenses field status group. Cost accounts. Okay, let it. Okay, save. Let me copy this account and go back to my session. Okay, I press enter. The amount will be 1000. Okay, enter 1000 and asking for a due date, and you can enter 01, 05, 2009, doesn't really matter. Okay, enter the debit account, which is this rent payable, because rent payable should be debited, right? Yeah. Okay, I enter that. Okay, enter the 1000 for the rent account. Now simulate. Okay, when I save, it will not update the cash in bank account or rent payable account, because this is a sample document. Sample means it will not update. Let me just prove that to you. Let me go to cash in bank account. I don't have to open one. Let me close this. Okay, I already have an account, so I go here. I don't use this, I use this. So the cash in bank account is 200. Let me just copy that so that is easy. Okay, let us check what is the balance now. So all items. Alright, you see 10,820, right? Let me just check if I post this, whether this balance will be impacted. Okay, rent payable does not have any balance yet. Okay, let me just show you. Rent payable will be 02. All items. See, no items in the rent payable yet. So let me just post this. Okay, now it is posted. See, for sample document the number range becomes different, 9 to something. Alright. Okay, this number range here 92 is predefined for sample documents. Okay, if you want to change this number range, you have to go to the number range settings over here. Close this. Under financial accounting, define document number ranges. Okay, so here if you want to go to the new one, you have to go to the new one here. Close this. Global settings, document number range, and define document number ranges for entry view. It's under new. Okay, go to sun and choose intervals. So you go down all the way until you see X. Just look at this number here. Go down all the way until you see X. Alright, you see the X series here. This one, X1 is for recurring entries, X2 is for sample documents. So this is predefined. The number range code is predefined by SAP. So for sample documents is X2, and you go to the respective year, which is 2009, and you can see the document number used is current number 92000 all the way, because we have just created a document just now. So it uses this number range here. If you want to change, you can change. Okay, X3 is for account assignment model, I think. Let me just find out for you when we go to the respective topic. So for now, for what you call sample document, it is using X2 code, which is predefined by SAP. Okay, you can change the number range here. Right, let me go back. So one more thing I want to prove to you is that even though we have posted it, the account balancer will not be updated, because this is just a sample document. See, no item selected yet, even though I have posted the document. And same goes to the cash in bank. The balance will still remain the same. See, 10,820. that document that we have posted 92 is not even listed here. Okay, so we'll see what is the use of this sample document now. Let me copy this first. To copy, just double click and open up the help window so that we can copy. Okay, here it is. Copy it. Now go back, exit. Okay, now once you have exited from sample document, okay, let us post an invoice now using accounts payable. Okay, accounts payable. Okay, one thing I need to tell you is that this is run payable supposed to be accounts payable, right? So, but I created a sample document using accounts receivable option here. So, reference document, sample document. It doesn't really matter which modules function you use to create a sample document. Even though you created using account receivable, you can still post it in accounts payable. But even though accounts payable has got its own sample document, both are the same. There's no difference. If you go to the accounts payable sample document, it's the same thing. So it doesn't really matter where you create it. Even GL has got the sample document. See? So it doesn't really matter where you create it, as long as in the GL you can actually change the also have an option to change the sample document. That's one extra thing you have here. So just put the number, I can change, right? But in account receivable and accounts payable, you don't have that option. Okay, you can even delete it. But if you go here in sample document, you can change, but you can't delete. Yeah, you have the option to delete. So it's a bit weird, right? But here in general ledger, the options are pretty straightforward. If you want to delete, you just go here and key in the document number and delete it. But even though you create it in GL, AR, or AP, you can post it using any module. So let me go to accounts payable, go to invoice. Normally you will key in the details here to post the normal invoice, right? Now you want to copy the information from the sample document you have created. So you go here, go to reference, go to this menu here, post with reference. Choose this, post with reference. Just paste your document number. It's already preloaded, so I'm not going to paste it. So just press enter. See, whatever information you have entered is coming here. Just go and check it, and then you press post to post it. This posting will actually update the account balances. One more time before I post, exit. One more time, just go to post with reference, key in the document number, the sample document number, and you can see some options here, right? You can even, if you press this, you will generate reverse postings. Okay, you can also press this to propose only the GL accounts but not the amounts. Let me just show you. I press this, enter. See the amount, if I press enter, the amount is empty, so you can key in your own amount. So these are the options you have. Let us not dwell on the options, just go in the straight way. I press enter, get a simulation. You can even change the amount if I want to. Okay, you can change the amount. I want to post it now. So you do this every month without having to key in everything again and again. You call back the same document number. The template will be there forever until you delete it. Okay. Okay, the document is posted now. This is the document number, actual document number. Just click OK. Let us go and check our balances here. Alright, just refresh. Alright, the $1,000 is somewhere here. This is the one. So on, right? Let me just check. Display, yes, 13 ending with 13. So this one here, okay, this is the one. So every month you just have to call the template using the sample document number 92000 and post it, so that you don't have to key in again. Let me call the rent account, rent pay account, execute. See, it's posted. Alright, that's the purpose of sample document. That's about it. Before that, let me just show you. If I want to delete the sample document or change it, you just call up here. You can also do it from here, general ledger, document, sample document, delete. You can delete the range of sample documents here. Alright, just key in the company code, put the sample document number, and I test run. It will show this list. And if you remove the test run and then execute, it will delete it. If you have many documents, many templates to delete, sample templates to delete, you can use this option. Or you can even go back to the account receivable or accounts payable, doesn't really matter. Let me go to accounts payable so that you know the difference. Go here, reference document, go call up the document, other document, just hang on a sec. Okay, it's here, not in document entry, it's under document, reference document, sample document, the accounts payable. I come here and do the same, right? Delete. That option is also available there. Or you can even change it. You can change, but nothing, you cannot change the amount and all that. Oh, you can. Okay, right, you can change the amount. That's good. You can just change it, but what I'm trying to say is you can't change the account. Right, that's a big problem. So you have to delete and then create back again. Okay, also change the document head text. You can change the amount because not posted yet. Alright. Okay, that's about it.